What's up, everybody? Welcome back to the channel. I have a little something different today. I'm just testing out some new angles on my GoPro here. I've got a chin mount on with the 360 camera, attempting to have the camera face two ways. It might be a little bit of an extreme close-up right up my nose or something, but giving it a shot because I want to see how it goes. My last video that I did, the ride and review for El Sazon, I tried this method, but with the camera hanging down my chin, kind of like in front of my upper chest. So there was no view of my face at all. This might be too close. I'll see how it looks if I back it out all the way. It might look kind of wonky and weird and distorted, but it's worth testing out. I'm just going to run over the Williamsburg Bridge with this setup. I'm on my way to Focal Point for Electric Wednesday. I have my new helmet on that I won in a giveaway called the Virgo Integral from a company called The Beam. The design of this thing is very cool. It's cool looking. It almost has like a Lego spaceman helmet look to it. I want to love it, but I have been struggling with the wind hitting my eyes. Even with the visor down, so I need to wear glasses with it, otherwise my eyes are watering the whole time, like pouring tears. So I tried my other set of glasses. They're a little bit slimmer than this. I've got these weird like pedophile looking glasses on right now that are like big 70s 80s computer nerd kind of look to them, but they're bigger, so they shield the eyes a little bit better, actually much better. This is fine right now, the way I've got this set up. But I do wish that I didn't have to wear some sort of glasses with this helmet. It's just a pain in the ass. But we'll see. I mean, getting used to it. I can't really wear this helmet with goggles because there's a light in the back of the helmet, and the strap for the goggles would either pull on the top or the bottom and slide off, or pull on the top and possibly yank the light off because it's just held on with a strong magnet. So I don't know. I mean, maybe also the cold weather has something to do with the eyes watering more. Maybe in the warmer months it'll be a little bit nicer for this. I can also flip the visor up. It's not much worse like this. It's a little bit worse, but there is improvement with the visor down versus up with the glasses. So I mean, whatever, we'll figure it out. It's all gonna be sorted out eventually. It's a little bit chilly. It's like I don't know, 35 right now. I think it's gonna drop down to 32, 31 by time probably finishing up with Electric Wednesday tonight. So on the way home, I'm gonna try setting up this camera just forward facing and try to get some night footage and see if it's a little bit more stable on the chin mount than it was on my chest mount. Because I've been trying to get a good amount of quality night content because it's just so much more dynamic to see the lights of the city in the dark. Riding in the dark is kind of cool. It's got a nice aesthetic to it. It's got a nice retro new wave 80s neon look to it, cyberpunkish. So I want to get some more of that content out. Maybe just the sounds of the bike, sounds of the city, maybe a little low volume soundtrack in the back. We'll see how it goes. Just coming on the downside of the Williamsburg Bridge right now. Once I get off of this, I am going to sign off. I'll stop the cameras. I'm going to head up to Jubilee Market at 21 Grams Cafe and get myself some cheap burgers before heading over to Focal Point, and that'll be it. This is a quick video, a test ride, setting up the new camera setup. See how it is. All right. It's nice in the sun, that's for sure. Definitely a little chill in the air though. It's gonna be a cold ride home in the dark. But that is it, my friends. Thank you for watching. Thank you for hopefully not looking up my nose. As always, make sure you like, subscribe, tell your friends, tell your family, and tell your motherfucking grandma.